So here I have a few of recovered 18650 cells, but unfortunately nearly all of the orange ones lose their shell when being ripped out of the original packaging, so I decided to rebuild them into a grid array, but without the protection on the top it's quite a dangerous thing to do this, because you could short out the battery quite easily. So I had the idea to make a kind of cap for this, which fits on top of the battery, and with this cap I can put it into the raster, but unfortunately I just messed up the tolerances and have to reprint it, so well, that is that.